Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you my overall experience of the quarantine stay. If there was any challenge that I faced, and most importantly, what did I do during these 12 days? So first, let's take the challenging part. For me, there were two biggest challenges. First, that you miss your family. I miss them so much, and I'm really happy that I get to go back home tomorrow and meet them and hug them. But yeah, that is the most challenging part, that you get homesick, and even though the Wi-Fi is there, you get video calls, it's just not the same. So yes, that is the most challenging part. Secondly, it is about keeping yourself occupied. I mean, what are you going to do for 12 days straight? It's not like you can go outside for a walk or you can invite your friends. So the options are limited. So my suggestion, if you do have to go for a quarantine stay, or if any of your loved ones have to, please make sure you pack enough stuff as per their choice. So if they like to read books or watch movies, please download movies. Go ahead, and if, say for example, you've been craving to learn something new, may it be music, art, or even dancing, use this time as an opportunity to discover yourself. It is very important to keep yourself busy, because the whole day alone in a room, I mean, things can get a bit weird. I mean, you don't really have a lot of options here. So yeah, come with that kind of a mentality that I am gonna be here for 12 days, might as well make the best of it. So just step back, take a moment, and try to realize you are the best judge of yourself. So you would know what exactly you need. If it is music, so be it. So yeah, that is the other thing, to keep yourself occupied. For me personally, I tried to split my day into two. So the first half I would do whatever work I could do. Say for example, if there was any kind of research, or for content, or if I had to call out to my kids' school, or there was emails to be done, or anything that is work related, I would do that in the first half of the day. And just relaxing bit, listening to music, or reading a book or something of that sort, watching movies, I'll keep it for the second half of the day, just to have some sense of reality, that it's not a vacation. It's not like you're sleeping late and you're getting up late. So don't do that. That's my recommendation. So for my overall experience, it was not that bad. I mean, it was not great. I expected it to be. With the vaccine, everybody knew what is to be done. The roles were clearly briefed, and it was so efficient. It was very smooth for the vaccination. But for the quarantine stay, I expected the same, that they would know where to go, when to go, which room is allotted to me, and all these small details would have been taken care of. But that was not the case. There was a lot of gray area. They were not aware what to do with the dirty linen and how exactly to dispose it. I mean, I think few of them knew, but not everybody, because yeah, that's an episode in itself. Similar other things were there, like my swab test was to be done on the day I arrived, but it was not done until the next day, and that too, it was done in the middle of the night. I don't know what was the need to do it at 12 midnight. They could have done it earlier or maybe later, but I'm guessing it's due to the surge in cases, or maybe lack of manpower. I'm not sure what is going on at the back end. I am grateful that I have a good room, the food was provided. But yeah, as I said, there is a lot of room for improvement, and it's just my experience, my feedback, what has happened. Like I got the tag, this monitors whether I'm in the room, or if I leave the room, this probably would alert the authorities. But I got this tag on my third day of stay. So for the first 2 days, I was not monitored. Again, as I said, there's a lot of room for improvement, but I'm guessing it is due to the surge in cases. There were the cases increased almost immediately. But in general, my entire experience was good. I had to do my own bed sheets or wash my own dishes, and I mean, these are just the normal basic chores that you anyways do at your home. So it didn't really bother me as much. It is for the better good. It is for keeping the community safe. So sure, why not? This is not that much of an hassle. There are good things as well. I mean, the laundry service is provided, or if you're not happy with the food they have given you, you can order your own food. It can be just left at the reception and somebody will bring it to you. Similarly, you can order stuff if you are too bored, you want more books or anything like that. You can just purchase them online and it will be delivered. So there was definitely, there's no element of that. There is nothing to do. You are only limited by your imagination. You can do a lot. It's about what is that you want to do. Of course, you can't do hiking in here, but yeah, you get the gist of it. That was my experience. So if you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.